Jai Shri Mataji, everyone. Second day of meditating on Vishuddhi today. As we settle down in meditation, listening to a song by the divine, with the golden string, raise our kundalinis, put ourselves in a bandhan. Before that, bowing down, seeking permission from Shri Mataji for this morning's meditation, with all our hearts requesting her presence during the meditation. Mother, please let me see you in my heart. Let your lotus feet be established on my sahasrara. Mother, please establish the collective consciousness within us, the collectivity within us, the essence of Sri Krishna at my Vishuddhi.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Al-Malik Al-Qudus As-Salam Al-Mumin Al-Muhaymin Al-Ghafar. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. 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 Al-Bayt Al-Shahid Al-Haq Al-Wakil. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Al-Ghawi Al-Matin Al-Awwal Al-Akhir As-Sahih Al-Batin Al-Wali Al-Mutali Al-Ba Al-Mumin Al-Hayy Al-Qayyum. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Al-Majid Al-Majid Al-Wahid Al-Jami' Al-Ghani Al-Mubin Al-Mani Al-Tad اللطيف الكبير النفيس المميت الأصيل الجميل الكريم لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله 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 أكبر الله 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 أكبر الله 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 أكبر الله 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 أكبر الله 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 أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Keeping our attention on top of the Sahasrara, watching our hands, whether you are Shri Adi Kundalini, that is represented as the Kundalini within us. Please awaken within me. Please balance my energy centers, cleanse my energy channels. Dissolving my ego and superego so that I can achieve this state of thoughtless awareness and doubtless awareness within me during my meditation. That I am the Spirit. I surrender at your lotus feet. Let the collectivity, the Madhurya of Sri Krishna be established on my Vishuddhi. Mother, I surrender at your lotus feet. Keeping our attention on the Vishuddhi, let's listen to a Krishna Puja talk from 1987.
What is shaking?
I think it's the stage.
What's shaking here?
It's the stage. You want to do it?
Is the
I
energy?
think it's me moving.
Huh?
I think it's the stage.
Yeah. It was very beautiful of children to come and receive me in this beautiful manner. It can take you back to the days of Krishna, when in his childhood he was very much respected by his friends. And they tried to do all the honor that was possible. You know the story of his birth. Also you know the story. I think if you stop the water, then otherwise my speech might be different. You know the story of his birth. And here we have the flowing of water both the sides. The way he used to play his flute along the Jamna river. The whole thing looks sometimes so human, but it is not. At the right time, whenever he needed, as a child, he manifested his powers. That he killed a woman who was a devil. Ultimately he killed Kamsa. After that, you know that he preached Gita. But it's not so fast as that. After killing Kamsa, he went down to Dwarika to rule there. And there he had to marry 5 more wives. First he had 16,000 wives. So the many people can ask a question, Mother, what sort of a husband he must be? These 16,000 should explain that he has 16 petals. On his domain of Vishuddhi Chakra. And these 16 petals multiplied by the 1,000 petals of the Sahasrara become 16,000. So these are 16,000 powers which are available to us also. These 16,000 powers are working in the brain. These powers could not come as Sahaja Yogis, so they came as women who were entrapped by a king, exactly 16,000. And he married them, because by marriage it was all very dharmic. Also he married 5 wives later who represented the 5 elements. Incarnation cannot be understood from human angle. Can never be understood, I should say. Because their ways and methods are different. They have ways and methods of their own, but they do not expose them to other people, not that they are afraid to expose or they don't want to expose, but it will not be intelligible. It cannot be understood by human beings. If you ask me a question, say, Mother, how do you manage that? I may just change the topic very cleverly. So now I am going to tell you about 16,000 petals of the Sahasrara. And now we can start the translation. In gist you can tell them. So now to understand the 16,000 powers that you have got in your brain already manifesting. As soon as you get your realization, those 16,000 powers start manifesting. Every petal of Sahasrara has got 60 powers and these are, the petals are made of the 5 elements. So these five elements who create these 1000 petals have got 16 powers on every petal. Now the five elements is the right side, which is the content, or we can say the matter of the brain. The matter of the brain is created in such a manner that it has a protective matter also. So we have grey matter and also the white matter which is outside to protect the grey matter. Now these 16 powers which are expressed in every petal are coming from the left side. Sri Krishna is an incarnation of the left side. So the 16 powers which are coming from the left side adorn the petals which are made of five elements. But these powers already exist in the brain. By these 5 plus 16 powers, we do all our nervous system work. For example, if you have to lift your hand like this, then it is worked first of all through the left side, which desires that it should be lifted. And then is ordered to the five powers or five elements, they go into the action. Also, we have in our system a special type of arrangement where there is a reflex action. Which is built earlier in our evolution. So, in a human consciousness, whatever works is not a reflex action. But now when you are Sahasrara is enlightened with the Kundalini, all these 1000 powers multiply it into 16,000. So all the nerves in the body get enlightenment. Your attention becomes enlightened. With these 1000 dimensions, you become collectively conscious. We can say like this, if there are 16 people staying in 5 houses, and they are working separately and sometimes coordinating. But a flood comes in. Flood. As a result of the flood, all these houses are brought together and get enveloped into the energy of that flood. Then they join hands together. They forget their houses and they start using now a new energy of collective consciousness. This is exactly what has happened in you. That as soon as the Kundalini has risen within you and given you realization, the flood has brought these dormant energies in you into play. You don't have to think that you have to hold each other's hand when there's a flood. You just hold it automatically, spontaneous. So all the energies suddenly start getting into motion. So this power where the 1000 energies of the brain suddenly awakened is the power called as Viratangana. That is, she is the power of the Virat. She is the power which makes Sri Krishna a Virat. So the 16,000 powers which he achieves in your being is done through the power of Viratangana. And at this modern times, you know who is that. So the Adishakti takes the form of Viratangana. With that enlightenment, you achieve your realization. So the Kundalini passing through different centers, enlightening the different energies, ultimately comes to the brain and enlightens the Viratangana power. At this point, at the brain point, the Kundalini starts spreading in the head. She of course shoots off from the Sahasrara, but also she trickles down through this plate of the brain downwards on the sympathetic. That relaxes you. That's why you feel relaxed. It relaxes the sympathetic. That enlarges the centers. It brings it back to its normal positions. The enlargement of the parasympathetic or Sushumna makes the Kundalini rise in more quantum. It is all done by a reflex action of Kundalini. So the Kundalini is already built in such a manner that when she rises, she automatically does all these things. So your Kundalini has got the power to enlighten all your centers and to enlighten your brain and to relax you, to increase the size of the centers and make the Kundalini rise again. But the Kundalini has a very special power that every human being's Kundalini knows me. Many people who have just seen my photograph have got their Kundalini awakened. But if your centers are very clouded or exhausted or jammed together or separated away from each other, then the Kundalini stops there. That's why some people get realization very fast and some take time. These conditioned minds are the most difficult. What's happening? Is it touching each other? Energy joined together. What's happening? Now the rising of the Kundalini is achieved better in a place which is frequented or visited or lived into by saints. Also for people who are not so complicated. For example, today only I discovered that the Catholic Church has complicated your life so much. I did not know that they have been preaching that sex is a sin. Then, if that is so, that means only Adam and Eve too would have lived on this earth. And these people were not with Adam and Eve to know what they did. And this absurd idea was very much there also at the time of Sri Krishna
Et des idées
among Indians. And as a result of that, we had ascetics who were very hot tempered. They developed one sided personality of, say, a sun, like if they looked at somebody, they could just burn him off, bhasma. And such austerity they had that if you had to talk to them, you had to use at least a distant, some pole,
à eux.
hollow pole. Such horrid people. But Sri Krishna, when he was born, he found out this imbalance is being created. At the same time, his cousin, whose name was Neminath, who was a Jain Tirthankar, developed an aversion to meat eating.
Et à
Meat
cette,
eating.
We'll continue listening to the talk tomorrow and just sit in meditation. Keeping our attention a couple of inches above the Sahasrara. Just watching our Vishuddhi, watching the two Vishuddhi first fingers on our hand, the pointing fingers on our hands. Father, please accept my surrender. Please be the ruler of my brain. Let the power of Sri Viratangana enlighten my brain. Be the controller of my brain. Let's put our hands together and humbly bow down, thanking Shri Mataji for the opportunity of this morning's meditation, for all the pure knowledge given to us and enlightened within us. Let's raise our kundalinis and put ourselves in a bandhan. And thank you everyone for your vibrational presence. And have a fantastic day. We'll see you. We'll see you all tomorrow. Jai Shri Mataji.
हरे मुरारे मधुकैट भारे गोपाल गोविंद मुकुंद शौरे अनंत श्रीधर गोविंद केशवा मुकुंद माधवा नारायण देवकी तनया गोपिका रमणा भक्त उद्धरणा त्रिविक्रमा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय राधा की जय जय मोहन की जय जय मुरली मनोहर श्याम की जय जय हरे कृष्णा श्याम की जय जय मुरारी की जय जय बंसीधर गिरधारी की जय जय यमुना तट पर बंसी बजाए गोपियों संग रास रचाए
बंसी बजाए गोपियों संग